We're here in South Austin, just ahead of the South by Southwest premiere of The Dads, where dads are sharing their beautiful stories about supporting their children. We're going to talk about some of the stars, subjects of the film, and producers associated with it, so let's get to chatting. Dwyane, tell me a little bit about your journey supporting your child, because you and your wife have done such a beautiful public display of supporting them and not making them feel alone.
Yeah, I think the biggest thing is what we do out away from the public.
Yeah.
It's the most important thing. And so, I think in support, to support someone, you got to learn someone. You got to take time to understand, someone. And I think we kind of grew up at a time where it was just like you do what your older sibling did, you know?
Right.
And we grew up in a different time. And so, I think Zaya, is every day he would say, my daughter Zaya is the one who really taught me a lot about fatherhood, taught me a lot about patience, taught me a lot about what it means to listen, to learn, to understand. And so, my wife and I, we've been going on a journey of parenting, of parenthood with our kids, because each one is unique and different in their own right.
Yeah.
And so, Zaya is the kid who brought me into this world, into this conversation. And I'm so thankful for her, because my life got richer when I entered, community, like this with other fathers. And so, but yeah, it's what we do behind the scenes. But, obviously being a public family, that's not easy.
Yeah.
It's not easy. We take we the butt of a lot of jokes.
Sure.
And from a lot of people who don't know our family, who don't care to know our journey or care to know our daughter.
Yeah.
But ultimately, we understand that, our purpose is bigger, her purpose is bigger, and we're just trying to find that purpose.
Yeah, I love that. I think that's really powerful. Now, if you could give a brief piece of advice to dads or other parents out there about choosing love and support for our kids over what the world's telling us, what would you say to them?
Yeah, and I think when it comes, I know the world has a lot of ideas of how life should be lived.
Yeah.
And it's cool to be able to now, when in this world where everyone can share their lives and how different it is and how unique it is. And I say we lean into that. We lean into the uniqueness of, the world that we live in, and understand that, we do have some things in common, but we're not the same.
Yeah.
And don't expect us to be the same. I always tell people, it's like, we're all trying to get to a destination.
Yeah.
Us fathers in here, we got to our destination with our kids at different times.
Yeah.
But obviously we got there. And it's a journey. And I'm not telling any father or any family that don't understand that right now is not in a place that their kids need them to be, that they're doing it wrong. But you can always turn around. You can always get there. GPS sometimes send you on different routes to get to actually the final destination. And the final destination has to be to just love your child.
Yeah.
And that's all it is for us. And then from there, then we go and we try to get our understanding in and try to get our learnings. But for me and my family, it's just always been about that four-letter word, LOVE, and what I don't understand. And then from there, if I do open up my heart, open up my mind, open up my thoughts to loving, then I'm actually open to listen. I'm actually open to learn.
Yeah, I love that. And sometimes detours still get us to where we need to go, right? So that's totally okay. Yeah. Okay, a more fun question for you here, kind of away from the film. You've obviously done so much in your career: sports, fashion. Last year you hosted with Jenna on Jenna and Friends. So anything else maybe kind of in the horizon, up ahead, that you're excited that you can tease for us?
Well, I'm excited to keep growing.
Yeah.
Keep evolving. Continue to keep walking through doors that opens for me, or that others leave open for me. I'm excited to continue to follow, those paths that's been paved.
Yeah.
Continue to do things that is a little uncommon as well. And so I don't know from year to year, what is going to, I didn't know I was going to be hosting Jenna and Friends when I came into 2025. But look, I walked away and hosted twice, and I made beautiful relationships. So I think I go into every year, and I'm always open for, what the world is going to provide.
Yeah.
And sometimes it provides things that you don't want, and then sometimes it provides beautiful moments of things. And so I'm just open, and right now, head down, grinding, business, work, family, and personal development and personal involvement is where I am.
I think that's really cool. Dwyane, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Yeah. For more from all of our South by Southwest coverage, visit KXAN.com and follow us on social media.